Cafe, Main Tera Hero, and many, many more. She also graced the cover of top magazines like Vogue and Elle, and also has been a brand ambassador for big names like Revoke and Parachute Hair Oil, and many, many more. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to welcome the Hollywood and Bollywood actress, Nargis Fakhri? Nargis Fakhri to walk as showstopper for Kumarjit Laishram opening fashion show of Manipur Sangai Festival 2022 edition. A big round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, I am so proud and excited to present to you fashion stylist, social activist, and creative director of Mrs. India International. Please welcome the iconic Kumarjit Laishram. We now present to you our jewelry sponsor, Japan Haisnam. Japan Haisnam, proprietor of CF19 store, Pauna Bazaar International Market. Will you please come on stage? Thank you so much, Japan Haisnam. Event organizer, Chumitoy Tokchom. Please come on stage. A big round of thank you for Chumitoy Tokchom, event organizer. Event coordinator, Nelson Warapam. Nelson Warapam. Event model management coordinator, Jennifer Wangkem, creative director of JW. Event costume stylist, Maxwell Yangoijam. Maxwell Yangoijam, event costume stylist, where are you? Next we invite event makeup, Pinau Konthaujam. Event makeup, Pinau Konthaujam. Showstopper, hairstylist and makeup, Chauba Melina. Next we invite event photography partner, Pandiraj Khangembam. Pandiraj Khangembam, event photography partner. Next we invite event coordinator, Khaba Kesam, proprietor, Salt Studio. Ladies and gentlemen, it is all because of the hard work and contribution of these personalities that today's opening fashion show has become a reality. May we now invite the Commissioner Tourism, Director Tourism, and the distinguished guests of today's opening fashion show to please come up on stage for a group photograph. Once again, may I invite the distinguished dignitaries of today's opening fashion show to kindly come up on stage. Honorable MLA Shri T. Robindro, may we invite you? Shri Thanjam Arun Kumar, Honorable MLA. Ladies and gentlemen, if we do not call you up one by one, we request all our distinguished dignitaries who are present on this occasion to kindly come up on stage for a group photograph. A big round of applause for all our distinguished dignitaries and esteemed guests present here this evening. A big round of applause. Tourism and Director Tourism, please. Jojo, the curtain raiser, please come on stage. Jojo Rajkumari.